Welcome. We're Tim and Donna Avery. We're super excited about launching something brand new.
Yes.
We're launching VTETV, and that's designed to bridge the gap in a lot of areas. You want to tell them?
So we have some educational videos that we'll be doing, just tech-based type of training, basic training, simple things. And so we want to help you maximize your maybe your Google Maps or any other type of GPS type apps that you may have on your phone, also just recording on your phone. So if you want to leverage how to use your iPhone and how to actually do a screen record and voice record, those type of things, so that way you could post them on your own social media platform. We want to show you how to do those types of things.
I know you've even shown them how to download an app,
Yes.
something as simple as that.
Yep.
I am also super excited because I know a lot of people had requested how to make a post on Instagram.
Yes.
So we've made everything from how to schedule a post on Instagram, how to make a post on Instagram, how to make a post on multiple
Yes.
platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, X. So there's so many basic trainings on there to bridge the gap.
Yes.
Maybe those areas where you really weren't sure how to ask or who to ask for it. We've now made
Yes.
it pretty simple, and it's going to be super, super convenient. And they start as low as $10 for different little tutorials.
Yep.
We even are having modules created
Yes.
that you can further deepen your education on these tutorials. So if you're wanting to get more in depth on how to make a social media graphic or how to make social media posts in advertisements,
Yep.
then we're going to have more in depth tutorials such as that. And it's going to be super fun because you're going to be able to choose whatever it is. You're going to see the archive of videos and what you're wanting to learn to help you as you advance in technology. Because let's face it,
Yep.
technology is advancing and you get to bridge the gap with VTE TV.
So also, if there's other videos that may not be in our archive just right yet, send in an email, info@visualtestaments.com, and let us know what you would like to learn on how to do, and we'll help you guys get that set up as well. Because if it's you're asking, I'm pretty sure there's other people who want to know how to do it as
That's
well.
so true.
Yeah.
info@visualtestaments.com. Just email us and let us know what you're looking for. And if we're able to do it, we'll definitely get onto it.
Yes.
But again, that's VTETV. We're going to be sharing our link with you. Make sure you check that link out and do us a favor. Share the link with
Yes.
your friends, because if there's something on there that maybe you already know how to do but they might not, there's going to be a very great archive that we're building
Yes.
to really be able to help people, not just with technology either, with different areas.
Yes.
So we hope this is going to be very helpful for you, and we're looking forward to hearing more from you guys. Thanks.